on the farm. Oh, yes, let's visit the farm today. Okay. Ooh. Welcome to Farmer Jack's farm. Hello, Farmer Jack. Yes, okay. All the animals are saying hello to us. Hello, everyone. Ooh. Okay. When a chicken saying hello, what does it sound like? Click, 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 click. Oh, what are they? What are they? They are sheep. Oh, okay. When you say hello, you go ba, 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 ba. Yes, very good, very good. Oh, what are they? What are they? Who are you? Who are you? Oh, hello, little pigs. Ooh, so cute, so cute. So how do you say hello to us? Ngoi, 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 ngoi. Yes, yes. Hello, hello, hello. Ooh, what about here? Who are they? Who are they? They are cows. Okay, okay. So how do you say hello to us? Moo, 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 moo. Hey, hello, hello, cows. Hello, hello. And who are you? Who are you? Very, very pretty horses here. Hello, horses. Hello, horses. How do you say hello to us? Neigh, 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 neigh. Very good, very good. Ooh, all of you are enjoying the beautiful weather. Ooh, with this sunshine. Very good. Okay, okay. Wow. Look at here. Ooh, what are they doing? They are picking apples. Wow, look at the apples. Very, very fresh from the trees. Yes, yes. Let's be an apple picker today. Look at them, look at them. Yes. Wow, the basket is full of apples. What about here? What about here? Oh, another basket here, which is also full of apples too. Yes, everyone loves eating apples. Do you like apples, children? Very yummy, very yummy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yes, very crunchy. Okay. And also, yeah, very juicy too. So, yes, we can also make apple juice. Yes, do you like apple juice? Yeah, I'm sure you do. I'm sure you do. Very yummy, very yummy. Ooh, look at the trees. The apples are ready to pick. Yes. Okay. Oh, when the apples are too high up there, how can we reach the apples? How can we pick the apples from the top of the tree? Oh, yes, yes, yes. We can use a ladder, okay? And we climb up the ladder carefully to the top, and then, yes, then we can pick the apples. Oh, such a good idea, such a good idea. Very good, very good. Okay. And, oh, now, let's have a look at here. What can we see here? Oh, what's that? What's that? What are you going to get from here? This is the well. Okay, this is the well. Okay, what can we get from the well? We can get water here. Yes, we put the bucket inside the well, and then yes, inside down the bottom there is water. So we can put the bucket inside, and then yes, and then we pull the rope, pull it up, and then yes, we can get the water from it, and then yes, then we can use the water to feed the animals here. Oh, they need water, and yes, so do I. Every of us needs water. So look at the barn here. Okay, a barn is a place where the animals live in. Okay, they live in a barn. Okay, yes, this is the place where the animals sleep at night. Yes, very good. Okay, so let's have a look here and see what animals we can see. Okay, yes. Hello, horse. Neigh, neigh. Oh, hello, chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. Hello, sheep. Bah, bah, bah. Oh, hello, cow. Moo, moo, moo. Yes, so cute, so cute. Yes, all the farmers and the children here are taking care of the animals. Oh, very good. And oh, look at the hay here. Yes, some animals love the hay. Okay, very good. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, hello, Farmer Jack. What are you driving? Yes, Farmer Jack is driving a tractor. Yeah, that's a very useful engine for a farm. Very good, very good. So he uses the tractor to collect hay. Oh, very good, very good. Yes, oh, the animals love hay. Look at the sheep here. Look at the cows. Yes, even the horse. Yes, very good. Lunch for the animals. Lunch for the animals. They love eating hay. Yes. Ooh, look at that beautiful barn up there. Yes. What a beautiful farm. And let's see. Oh, what's that? What's that? Who are you? Who are you? Oh, it's a scarecrow. Hello, scarecrow. Yes. So it's here to protect all the plants here, to make sure the plants are safe, to make sure the crows won't get to eat the plants, so then the plants can grow healthily. Very good, very good. And oh yes, Farmer Jack planting seeds to grow crops. Oh, it takes time, it takes time. That's okay, that's okay. We will take good care of them. Yes, we water them every day, and Scarecrow is protecting them too from being eaten by the crow. Very good. Oh, look at here. What are they? What are they? Wow, the sweet corns are ready. Oh, looks so yummy. Children, do you like eating sweet corn? I'm sure you do. I'm sure you do. Yes. So yes, we have to wait for the seed to grow. Patiently, okay? We need patience to do things. Very good, very good. Okay. that's it for the farm trip here. Yes, so see you next time. Goodbye.